Hello, CSA. We are at the part of the year where you're getting tons of grades back from your teachers. And these grades are a review of how you've done. How are you growing towards competency? This video is going to show you how to check your grades just at a quick glance, how to see any feedback your teachers have left, and then how to resubmit assignments so that it's easiest for your teachers to be able to see and regrade them. To begin, your best friend is this class log. If you see this little number 4, it means that there is something there that your teacher has done since the last time you clicked on class log. When I click on it, I can see here, I've left a comment and some things have been graded. Now, if I have a 0.5 out of 3, that means there's something wrong with that assignment and it probably needs fixed. And look here, there's a comment telling me exactly what to look at. When I click on this comment in my class log, it's then going to take me into the messaging app. It'll take a moment to load, but here in the messaging app, you can see the full comment. You can reply to the comment. You can also click right here in this blue, and it'll take you directly to the activity. Here you can see what you've submitted in the locker. You can see all the directions. And most importantly, you can see your teacher's feedback. Once you have completed whatever it is that your teacher has asked you to do, there are 2 ways that you can notify your teacher you've done this. The first is to leave a comment right here. You can say, please go look at this assignment. It's helpful in this if you include the name of the assignment, electric cars, so that it's easier for your teacher to find it. You can post a comment and it'll go to your teacher's messaging. The best way, however, and the easiest way for your teachers to be able to see this assignment again is to come to action, come here to the typing box, and type, please look at my assignment again. If you want to even make this easier, specifically say what you changed. For example, I rewrote paragraph 3 to answered all questions, fixed my spelling, and so forth. That'll give your teachers an even better idea of what exactly they're looking at this redone assignment. Then hit save and turn in. As we know, this goes into your locker, and from here, it will be pushed to your teacher's grading screen. And on that screen, they see everything that gets turned in. They will also see whatever it is you have attached, and they can quickly update your grade or leave you more feedback. I hope that helps you to be able to work on your things that you haven't gotten your full points on, or if you've got missing assignments where you've completed part, but not all, and responding to your teacher's feedback. Have a great day.